Adding text in Wondershare Filmora 13 is very easy to do. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. Launch the Wondershare Filmora 13 software on your computer. Import the video clip to which you want to add text by clicking on the Import button and selecting your video file from the File Explorer. Drag and drop your video clip from the media library to the timeline at the bottom of the interface. Click on the Text or Credit tab located above the timeline. This will open the text menu. Browse through the various text styles available in the text menu. You can choose from titles, lower thirds, openers, subtitles, and more. Once you found a text style you like, simply drag and drop it onto the timeline above your video clip. Double-click on the text template in the timeline to open the text editor. Enter your desired text into the text box. Adjust the font, size, color, alignment, and other text properties using the options in the text editor panel. Click and drag the text template in the preview window to reposition it on the screen. You can place it anywhere you like over the video. Drag the edges of the text template in the timeline to adjust its duration. You can make it shorter or longer depending on how long you want the text to appear in the video. Click on the play button in the preview window to preview your video with the added text.